Hey guys, I went a bit berserk on Temu and I have a haul to go through with you. One of my favourite things in this world is the trusty Leatherman. I use it for absolutely everything, especially opening postage bags. So first up, what did I get? I'm going to try these out. This is an emergency bivvy, and I thought I'd put these in the car in case I ever needed it. It looks like a big garbage bag. If I'm stuck somewhere and it's cold or it's raining, that essentially like a sleeping bag, and it's like made of this aluminium foil. Feels like it's a oversized garbage bag. I think the case that it came in is probably better made than the actual product itself. But I think if it was rainy or cold, yeah, it's really hot in here, so it might do the job. I don't know if I'll ever be able to put that back in the case. All right, my $2 funnel set. This is my $2 funnel set. This will be really good for changing oil, motorbikes, lawnmowers, anything for the workshop. So that looks well worth it. It's got this cool little spike that goes in the bottom and hooks on and keeps it all together. That's pretty good. That's probably worth $2. Okay, so the next one I got was, oh yeah, okay. So what you're supposed to do is, if you've got any dents in your vehicle, which I do, have a few dents from sticks and logs flicking up and hitting my car, then what you do is you select one that's the size of your dent, you get a hot glue gun, you stick it to this, you stick it to the vehicle, like so, and then you put this device in. It hooks in there, and then you can pull out your dent. I saw this. This was a mat for a keyboard. That looks pretty good. It's a little mat for your mouse or your keyboard. It's got a picture of a brain. That's someone in the family who's a psychologist. I don't know why I bought this. Starburst stake lights. And this must be our starburst. And these must be our instructions, which tell me absolutely nothing. So this must go in here. Screw that on there. This must go in here. Oh, there must be multiple of them. Each one's got a different head. Best thing about Temu is that everything's a jigsaw puzzle. Does that look better? Okay. Bend them down. All right. Okay, so I'll go outside and do that later tonight. Now this is something I've been wanting for a little while. These were cheap. And the idea with these is, I'm not going to undo it now, but the idea is it's essentially like a big bag, and you lift it up and you gather the air and you fold it up and then you tie it up, and it's like a bean bag that's with air. And you take it camping and stuff, but they were very cheap and it might be a load of fun as well. This one here was supposed to be a makeup caddy, and the idea is you put your makeup in here and you can turn it. But there's only one problem, is I've only got 3 feet. It looks cool, a little bit cheaply made. What would you expect for $3.95? Look what I just found. Found the other piece. Okay, so now it's fully functional. Now this is something I've been waiting to test as well. And I'll probably do another video on this. I've wanted one of these for a while and I've seen these on social media for a bit now. But basically it's an electric screwdriver. Okay, cool little case. Screwdriver user manual, charging. It's USB chargeable. Okay. This looks pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. All right. So, oh, that's very cool. There's our USB charger. Comes with our cable. Accessory box. What are these things? Maybe I could play guitar with it. So I think they've just given me some different sized pieces of plastic to do things with. Okay, but this is really cool. All right, really impressed with this. And even my guitar picks. Oh, this is really cool. I'll do another video on this one. This one is a portable mini printer. I think it's more of a gimmick than anything. However, you could use it for receipts as well. So that's pretty cool. Oh, now this is really handy. This is, can you guess what this is? So this, in the summer, oh great. So, citronella coils. By lighting this, it burns and keeps the mosquitoes away when we're outside. The good thing about this one is here, we got a little tray and all the ash gathers at the bottom, and hopefully it's actually better than the one it comes with. which usually rust up and fall apart and bend and break quite easily. This one's just very simple and hopefully shouldn't do any of those. This little guy is a little survival tool for your car. And the idea with this one is here is you put it somewhere easy to grab in your vehicle. You might get a cable tie and tie it to the top of your sun visor. And if you ever need to get out of the car or you have an accident, you can grab this guy, pull it off, and this part here is to cut your seatbelt off, like so. And this part here is to smash your windscreen. So all you have to do is put it up against your windscreen and keep pushing. And that little click will smash your windscreen, which is a lot easier than trying to kick out the windscreen or hit the windscreen with a rock or with your feet. This will smash it instantly. Usually put it in the corner of the window and smash it. So I'm going to give that to all the family members. Going to chuck it up on their sun visor so if they ever need it. If you ever go into water, the car battery short circuits, the car will not unlock, the windows won't come down, you're in the water, you're slowly sinking, you can just hit the window, it'll start going down a lot faster because there's air in there obviously now, and you can get out through the window. It's a cool little safety device. Oh! I did not know what this was for a second. So this little guy here is for your door. We have the doors and the windows open to get some airflow through the house. The problem is once a big gust of wind comes, it slams the door shut. So we want the doors to stay open. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one of these, probably this one, on the door, and this on the wall. So when the door opens up, it's stuck via a magnet. Oh. And then we can pull it out, and when the door, something like this you can't buy in hardware stores locally, especially in Australia. It's a lot harder. This is a friend who's got some arthritis, and I saw these online and I bought these. Essentially what these are is they're foam rubber, but they're different sizes and diameters. And the idea is if you're having some problems with arthritis in your hands, you can get this foam and put it on the device, and then obviously cut it to where you need it. So it's a lot easier for the person to grip, and then they can obviously write or whatever utensil it is. Could be knives and forks, could be a pen. And you'll never get it off the item ever again. So anything a Leatherman can't do. Oh, great. I do a lot of traveling for work. This little device here, if you're in a motel room or can be home as well, But if you're in a little, in your motel room, for example, and you're concerned about people coming in or people entering your room, first of all, you'll put your 9-volt battery in. What you do is you put it up against the door, and if someone does unlock your door, it'll press this sensor down and an alarm will sound, and hopefully that's enough time to wake you up or alert you that someone could be in the room or the building. So a little security thing. I have absolutely no idea what this thing is. This is a little device which can help someone with arthritis or that's not as tactile in their fingers to put their buttons on their shirt. And lastly, this device here allows someone that may have arthritis again to help put their shoes on. You just put you grab your shoe and put this in the back of the heel and help push the shoe down. Or grab your jacket and help put over your arm and grab it, like so. Well, that's all I've got. So now I'm just going to go outside and put my solar burst LED lights up and then sit out there and watch them tonight in my green garbage bag. I mean, bivvy. Come join me next time as I pull out my impulse buys that I purchased at 2 o'clock in the morning, and I thought they were a good idea at the time.